Hey, so if your images are not showing in Darktable, yeah, that can be super frustrating. Sometimes the file is there, but the preview is blank or just won't load. Don't worry, this is actually a common issue, and I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Alright, first, make sure your image is actually imported correctly. Go to the Lightable view and check your folders. If you don't see your image, try importing it again. Sometimes, the image just doesn't load in one view. Try switching between Lightable and Darkroom mode. This can refresh the preview and fix display glitches. If your image still isn't showing, it might be a GPU problem. Go to Preferences, open the Processing tab, and temporarily disable OpenCL. Then restart Darktable. Yeah, so corrupted cache files can also cause missing previews. Go to your cache settings and clear the thumbnail cache. Darktable will rebuild it automatically. Not all file formats work perfectly. If you're using RAW files, make sure your camera model is supported. You can also test with a JPG or PNG to see if it loads properly. If nothing works, check if you're using the latest version of Darktable. Updates often fix bugs related to image loading and previews. One more thing, if the file was moved or deleted from your system, Darktable won't be able to show it. Make sure the file path is still valid. So yeah, those are the most common fixes if your images are not showing in Darktable. Try them one by one and you should be back to editing in no time. Hey,